welcome to the party. Colorful weave and your makeup is beating. That's how you act, just like a Barbie. Baby, welcome to the party.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I should have already inserted at the beginning of this video of an intro with my face on and everything like that. We're gathered here today because I have ordered a shit ton of new makeup and I thought I need to capitalize off this purchase and film a like first impression using new products video on my face. I don't really know. You guys should know I'm not an MUA. My makeup is really in one bag. Well, one makeup bag, and it's really crusty dusty. That's why I had to, you know, restock. And also I'm using the natural lighting, so the lighting's gonna be whatever God decides it to be. Oh, by the way, I was meant to clean all of my brushes for this video, but I've obviously forgotten because they're still dirty. But we're just gonna move past that. We're not even gonna notice, even though I've just pointed it out now. I've been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade since I was in like, what, year 11. And look how ghetto this is. Ew. The pot was on its last legs. I was scraping the remainder of what's left in the pot, so I bought a new one. This one's in ash brown and this one's in dark brown. Anyway, I want to get brown on my face, please. I'm gonna open up. I think this is a stupendous occasion. Can we get a close-up on that, please? So we do what we always do and pinch the brush. I've been using the crusty pot for like, I don't even know, like a year now. So I can't even remember. I just feel like we need to commemorate this occasion. The first swipe. Look at that. Ooh, shiver me timbers. Okay, the camera already died and we're not even like 2 minutes in. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
So the brows. I might speed up this part because it can be very boring. I'm not used to this much pigmentation. We're almost going for like unibrow. Anyway, so this one, adios mate, you've been replaced. For primer, I saw this NYX or NYX, whatever you want to call it, Shine Killer primer, and I'm oily, so I was interested to see if this is going to do anything to my foundation base. You know what I noticed with these items is, why are they all small? What's with the proportion distribution? Like, what's this? It would be easy to travel with, but I don't go anywhere. I don't go anywhere. Why is it black? Okay, it's not black. It's transparent. It just looked black because the packaging's black. Okay. Ooh. Ah. It doesn't feel as silicone-y as my other one. It feels quite like just soft. But yeah, I like that one way better than my other one. The other one makes me feel like I'm gonna break out, but that might be just because it's old. I did get a new concealer. It is the Revolution Pro Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer in shade C2. Oh no. Why is it so, what the hell? That took pressure to come out. Oh no guys, this is, oh no. Why is this so thick? I'm not used to concealers like this. It's that thick, like I feel like it needs the warmth of my finger to blend it out. I don't normally use my finger, but it's just very thick with 3 C's. Even my normal concealer is a bit too light. That's why I'm confused as to why I got like concealer. But anyway, I'm gonna cut my brows and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm done with my eye makeup. I actually recreated the eye makeup that I tried to recreate the makeup that I did for my birthday because I look back on pictures and I really like it. The next item that I'm going to be trying is the eyeliner that I bought. Now, again, why are these things so small? Just look how itty bitty it is. But it's always good to have a black eyeliner to help blend your like false eyelashes in with your actual eyelashes. I'm just going to do simple like that. I don't use eyeliner a lot, so obviously I don't really need a lot, but I can't remember how much I paid for this. It is Benefit, so I'm thinking I paid, you know, enough. It works really good. It's matte, like I can't complain. The point is really long and sharp, so you can be real accurate with it. What we got, okay, listen, I've been using this as well since like year 11, possibly even younger than that. Maybelline is the only brand I want to hear that is the best mascara producer. I only go to Maybelline, and this is the only one that I've used for years. This is the Sensational Maybelline mascara, and I get mine in, the sun has just decided to dip. Okay, I get mine in waterproof because I remember in high school I wore the normal and it would like smudge all here, especially after PE. And I remember I must have watched a beauty guru that said if you get waterproof it won't smudge. So I'd be getting my mascara in waterproof always. I did want to try the TikTok viral one. I forgot what it's called. If you know what I'm on about, you'll know what it's called. But I think that is also by Maybelline, or it's L'Oreal. But it was, you know how TikTok be, it was sold out. So what I should have got was a new motherfucking curling, I was gonna say curly one, eyelash curler, because this eyelash curler takes so much to curl my eyelashes, and I need to curl my eyelashes because my eyelashes literally go straight down. Ooh, 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 ASMR. But look, watch. I'm gonna do one eye. I mean, sis, the difference. You know, I had to pick up a new beauty blender because, let's be real, sometimes we just can't be bothered to wash our old ones. I got the Nars Foundation, and it is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've had Nars before, I think it was in like the frosted glass one. But the usual foundation that I use is the Armani one. But I heard a lot of girls raving about this one, and I think it was the Anastasia one as well. Oh, please tell me it has a pump. Yes! I was gonna buy a pump as well because it had in suggestions the pump. I just find that so satisfying. I think that's a decent match, to be honest. I think that's, I think we've done well there, lasses. That kinda nice though. Make sure you get your ears, ladies. Let me just go over it with, I think the colour fits better than my Armani one. Yes, so I'm liking this. I'm liking it a lot. I got it's not a highlight, it's not a highlight, blush and contour kit, it's just a blush and contour kit, but it's from Benefit. I mainly got this because the normal Hoola bronzer was like £1 more and on its own, so I'm thinking, well, it's cheaper and I get an extra 2 blushes, so I was just like, I might as well. It's quite, ooh, I mean, it's blending. Maybe you guys can see this side. And then I think I'm gonna actually even try and contour my nose with it. So let's give this a go. I've been pinching the brush and like going like that to give my nose like a little lift. I wanted to get into blushes more. I got this L'Oreal blush, Life's a Peach. I hear a lot of influencers raving about this blush. It's subtle than I thought it was gonna be. I like it. It's a bit of shimmer, but it's not too much. I can see why people like it. But yeah, it was a cute little blush. I think it was only like £4 or something like that. And I think for that, it ain't bad. Like, it ain't bad. It gives me a bit of colour. I've got here in my hands 3 new lip liners because I was literally relying on one lip liner for years. So now I've got options. Like, Anastasia got options. So I've already tried this one. I really like this one. It's the Peaches and Cream in, I think, Borderline. A lot of people use this. I've seen a lot of influencers use this, so that's why I've got it. I saw Rachel Leary use this. I think there was someone else that used this as well. But yeah, you can get it off Pretty Little Thing. That's what I did. And it's like a very nice nude. And it literally matches my lip colour. So great for overlining, ladies. These I just bought off gut instincts, I suppose, because nobody recommended me these. These are Nyx Lip Liners. This one is in Dainty Days and Free Spirit. Okay, this looks a bit... No, this isn't my cup of tea. I can't see it, love. Look, that's supposed to be the colour. Where do you see that on my lips? Look. Hello. Wake up, please. Wakey, wakey. I mean, you can see a bit of colour, but it's not what I thought she was gonna give. Like, let me show you the Peaches and Cream one. At least this did something. Moral of the story, get this one. I wouldn't bother with, like, that's not what they were giving. Okay, so the last 2 items that I got was the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and also I restocked on my duo glue, but I had the white duo glue. This is the black duo glue, so I haven't tried this one before. I've been wanting to get a bottle of this for ages. I know that they do the bigger bottle, but I don't really like set my face that often anyway. Wait, is it not? Nice, nice, nice. And then I'm just gonna stick my eyelashes on with this glue. I'm hoping it's not a mess. Oh, no, 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 no. It came out way too fast. This is like the hair glue. This is the colour of the hair glue. Imagine they're just selling hair glue, but in a microscopic bottle. And for more the price. I don't know if it's just because it's new, but I think it dries quicker than the white one. But this is the finished look. Get into it. But yeah, I think overall it was a fun experience. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you made it to the end of the video, you're a real one. And I will see you in my next video. Deuces.